Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Kelsey. So glad you clicked on this video. Today's video is gonna be my fireplace and laminate floor remodel. If you haven't seen my Instagram or don't follow me over there, we are moving from our condo. This is our first place that we purchased together, and we are excited but a little bit sad to leave this first home of ours. So many memories have happened here with Kenzie's first steps and just so much laughter and tears and a lot of hard times. So it's definitely bittersweet, but we know that we have to have more space, and really that is the bottom line. We cannot stay in here any longer. There is no room. It's only 2 bedrooms, so we have barely anything to work with. There's not a lot of storage. As you guys have seen over the years of me filming cleaning videos and organization videos, I've always tried to come up with creative solutions to that problem. So I am excited to get into a new place and remodel and do all the fun things in a new home. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna be doing a series of showing you guys our condo before and after footage from different videos that I haven't shared with you guys. So today is gonna be the fireplace and the flooring. So you'll see how that came together. It's crazy. The before and after is huge, and really it was such a great transformation, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, because in the next month or so I'm going to be pushing out more content with you know, showing you guys the process of each room in my house, and then of course I will end it with an entire home tour showing you guys where I purchase things in case you need ideas for yourself. So let's get into it, and I hope you enjoy this video.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the
before was really a disaster. It has come so far, and I'm excited to share with you the results. What we decided to do was keep the existing structure you see there, paint that part white, and then I enlisted my dad to build us a mantle around that. So he got some wood planks and crown molding from Home Depot and got to work, and I'm so thankful for him. It's really nice having a handyman around all the time. And if you can see, above the mantle and the surrounding walls were a taupe color. I really disliked that. I wanted to freshen up the space and make it look brighter. So we went with a Glidden gray paint. I got it at Home Depot, and it just made it look so much better. And then James, my husband's job was to do all of the tiling. He had never done this before, so I was a little nervous, but he ended up watching a lot of YouTube videos, and honestly, he did such a great job. He also did our bathroom tiles, so I'm definitely having a lot more trust in him now. After all the tile work was done, I went in with a black high heat spray paint, painted the entire inside to make it look fresh.
inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the space.
So the last things we have to do is the trim at the bottom, and that's going to be done today. And then on the inside of the fireplace, I just got done spray painting it, so it looks so much better. And then I'm going to be taking off these fireplace doors, painting the gold trim up here black just so it can match the inside, obviously washing them because they're disgusting. So I'll show you guys once it's all completed what it looks like.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form.
Don't mind the mess. It's pretty messy in here right now, but I just wanted to get in some before clips so that you guys could see what we're working with.
No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind.
is the day that we do the stairs. We are going to be ripping all of this out, which I'm so happy about. But my job right now is to get all of these shoes out of here and coats. I gotta clean it all up.
I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place, and now I see a silhouette in the dark.
Getting to do our floors was the most exciting project for me. I really feel like floors make the biggest transformation in a home, and I was really excited when we found these hardwood floors from Costco. If you guys are trying to redo your floors, make sure you keep going to Costco because sometimes they do have sales, and we got ours on sale at such a great price, and because of the size of our condo, it did not cost that much. I think in total it cost $1,000, maybe a little less. Another great way to save money is to do the labor yourself. Thankfully, my husband has worked in flooring before, so he knew what to do, and it did not take him that long. Even if you don't know how to do flooring, I feel like this one was really easy to work with from Costco, so highly recommend. It is laminate flooring.
It's just like the saying, you don't know what you got till it's gone. But now I know in my hometown, running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place.
We're driving to see Daddy. Daddy did the stairs today in our house, Kens.
Whoa.
You excited to see? Okay.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind, though it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over.
This is the finished product of both our flooring and our fireplace. I hope you guys liked seeing the transformation. It has really been a work in progress, but we are so happy with the results, and honestly it was on a budget. So if you are looking to do a project like this, then I will make sure to leave the links of things that we used for this project down in my description box. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up to date on my videos. I will be doing a house tour and moving vlog, so I will talk to you guys very soon.
Finally, yeah. Ooh. I've been staring again, gazing at the night sky.